'06 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition, 96,000 original miles. Very, very clean vehicle. Tires, all four, I'd say 80%. 630 seconds, 530 seconds, somewhere around there. Bed, Harley Davidson, all original there. Nice tonneau cover. My favorite thing about this vehicle is the way it sounds. It's got a very mean purr to it. No scratches, no dents on it. Not a ding. Very clean vehicle. Rims, tires, very clean. Here's the big 5.4 V8, freshly serviced. All new lifters, all new fluids. Like I said, we've done everything to this vehicle to get it perfect. Very clean. Once again, no scratches, no dents, no dings on it. Got the all-weather floor mats in here. Black leather, super clean, never been smoked in, no rips, stains, tears, anything like that. Heated seats. Interior super clean. No lights on or anything, guys. Promise you won't find another one out there like it. 2-owner clean, really nice vehicle.